Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Begin by removing the door panel using a Phillips screwdriver and a trim tool to expose the regulator and motor. Test the switch and motor with a multimeter set to 12V to confirm power delivery. If you get voltage at the motor when pressing the switch, the motor receives power. Inspect the window track and regulator for debris, rust, or a bent arm blocking travel. Check the glass alignment and measure gaps. A misaligned window often shows a 3 to 6 mm uneven gap that indicates regulator or mounting issues. Support the glass with painter's tape or a prop at the midpoint to prevent it from falling when you unbolt the regulator. Unbolt the regulator and motor assembly, then detach the glass from the regulator mounting clips. Remove the old regulator and inspect for frayed cables or stripped gears. Replace worn cables or a stripped gear using a compatible regulator kit for your model year. Many kits cover 1996 through 2000 Dodge Caravan fits. Lubricate the regulator pivot points and window tracks with white lithium grease and test smooth movement before reassembly. Carefully reattach the glass to the new or repaired regulator clips and tighten the mounting bolts to manufacturer torque or to snug hand tight, plus a quarter turn if torque specs are unavailable. Reconnect the motor harness and run the window through several full cycles to confirm smooth, full travel both up and down, and to seat the glass into its weather strip. Adjust the regulator limit or glass position if the window binds, then reinstall the door panel and trim. Finish by verifying the window seals evenly with no rattles at highway speeds, and by checking the power switch responsiveness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.